Xiaomi Mijia Electric Shaver Pro Set is available for purchase on the Chinese platform Youpin for 699 yuan, approximately $95 to $100 USD. It is offered as a premium gift box package that includes multiple grooming attachments for everyday use. Pros: smart features, long battery life, hygienic charging base, multi-use kit. Cons: slightly premium pricing, may feel complex for basic users, limited global availability. This set includes an electric shaver, a multifunctional wireless charging base, a sideburn trimmer, and a nose hair trimmer. It's ideal for users who want a single device for full face grooming. The charging base is a key highlight. It doesn't just charge the shaver, but also sterilizes and air dries it automatically when placed on the dock. This makes daily maintenance effortless and hygienic. The shaver uses a double-ring corrugated blade net, which covers more surface area compared to traditional designs. Combined with stainless steel blades and a cross-plus reciprocating cutting system, it delivers faster and cleaner shaves. The high-speed motor performs around 5 million cuts per minute, while a smart chip adjusts power based on beard thickness. For sensitive skin, the silicone-based microbead coating reduces friction and gives a smoother glide. The built-in pressure sensor prevents you from pressing too hard, reducing irritation and skin damage. With Type-C charging and up to 95 days of battery life, it's highly convenient. The color display shows battery, mode, and travel lock status clearly.